Hi guys, this is Zifro, our premium 1600 watt hair dryer. First of all, this is made of high quality ABS plastic and has premium metallic finish. इसके साथ ही आपको एक डिटैचेबल नोजल भी मिलती है जो मैग्नेटिक एंड रोटेटेबल है. Nozzle actually helps you to get concentrated air supply to perfectly style your hair. This hair dryer uses negative ion technology while drying your hair, which means कि इसके negative ions आपके wet hair में present water molecules को break करता है, जिससे आपके बाल जल्दी dry होते हैं, and जो हमारे बालों में positive charges होते हैं उनको neutralize करके frizz को कम करता है. इसमें सबसे अच्छा पॉजिटिव पॉइंट जो कि नॉर्मली आपको इस रेंज के हेयर ड्रायर में नहीं मिलेगा, वो है इसका स्मार्ट एयर एंड टेम्परेचर कंट्रोल विद रियल टाइम डिस्प्ले. जैसे कि आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं, यहाँ पे आपको दो बटन मिलेंगे. You can use the first one to control the air speed and the second one to control the temperature range. This has two air speeds, as you can see if I move it upwards. This is the first air speed and this is the second one. You can control the temperature from here. This goes as high as 60, and if I click it again, the temperature range will be from 60 to 85. So this has three temperature ranges. First one is the cold temperature, which is at 30 degrees Celsius. Then comes the medium one, which goes from 30 to 60. Then the high temperature, which is from 60 to 85 degrees Celsius. And two air speeds, which you can control from here. Another thing to note here is that it is of 1600 watt, which actually gives you high speed and sufficient temperature while consuming less power. Also, this hair dryer has brushless motor here, विच मीन्स कि यूज करते टाइम ड्रायर ज्यादा आवाज नहीं करेगा. और ब्रशलेस मोटर होने से एक फायदा ये भी होता है कि इसका लाइफ स्पैन बढ़ जाता है. Last but not the least, it comes with 2 meter long cord which helps in using this dryer conveniently. Also, here you get a filter that you can clean if you feel the need to do so. On the box, we have mentioned all the main USPs here. 1600 watt max output. This is the speed of the motor that we have mentioned. Negative ions technology, intelligent real-time display, two air speeds, brushless motor, intelligent temperature control. This is the air speed of the hair dryer.
Low noise suppression.
Lightweight and portable. So these are the USPs that you can highlight, and thank you.